Good morning and welcome to Storytime with Miss Ann. Did you guys see what it did outside all day yesterday? Did it do the same thing at your house as it did at my house? It rained all day. Well, that's why I chose this book today. It's called One Rainy Day, and it's written by Valerie Gorbachev. What do you see on the cover? I see a pig, and he's carrying some flowers and a basket, and look what's falling from the sky. Rain, rain, rain. If we open it up, inside we're going to see our title page. It says One Rainy Day by Valerie Gorbachev. Let's start our story. Oh, what happened to you, friend pig? I can see you're wet. Let me guess, you went into the meadow to get some flowers and you were caught in the rain. Is that right? Yes. Oh, look, he's just dripping with rain. He's dripping so much he made a puddle. But you must have forgotten to take an umbrella. Why didn't you hide under a tree? I did. Oh, there he is, hiding under the tree. But then why did you get wet, friend pig? Because to escape the rain, a small, very fast little mouse ran right under the tree too. Well, surely there was enough room for you and the small, very fast mouse. Yes, but then two porcupines joined us. Ooh, I don't think I'd want to be too close to them. How many? 2 porcupines? Yes, and 3 buffaloes. Oh, big buffaloes. Did I hear you right? You said 3 buffaloes? Yes, and 4 leopards came right after they did. What did you say? 4 leopards? You heard me, and 5 lions came next under the very same tree. Oh my goodness, I can't imagine 5 lions. It's a lot of lions. Yes, and after that, 6 gorillas ran under the tree to escape from the rain. Are you sure? 6 gorillas. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 gorillas. Yes, and 7 crocodiles followed them. Oh no! 7 crocodiles. Yes, and 8 hippopotamuses came to the very same tree. Oh, I cannot believe it. 8 hippopotamuses. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hippopotamuses. Yes, and 9 rhinoceroses came running. Oh, that is terrible. 9 rhinoceroses. Oh, look at all those pointy noses. I know, and 10 elephants also ran under the tree. Wow, 10 elephants? Ah, friend pig, I get it. With all 10 elephants, 9 rhinoceroses, 8 hippopotamuses, 7 crocodiles, 6 gorillas, 5 lions, 4 leopards, 3 buffaloes, 2 porcupines, and one fast mouse. All under the tree, there was not any room for you. Am I right? Ooh, look at all those animals. We'll go like this. Ooh. Oh, my goodness, that was a lot of animals. Oh, there's even more. No, there was room for everyone. Well, then I don't get it. Why are you so wet? Well, simply because when the rain was over, I wonder how he got so wet. I was in such a hurry to get home and tell you my story about what happened to me on this rainy day that I left and didn't miss a single puddle. The end. Did you guys do some puddle jumping yesterday? If you didn't, maybe you can get some in later this week. I hope you've had fun listening to my story.